Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be another Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. The first thing I picked up at Dollar Tree was this two-pack, two bandanas. I got this nice blue one here. It's just plain blue with this white pattern. And then this beautiful one here is like a really nice floral. Really like the pattern of this. It's really nice. So yesterday when I did a haul, I reviewed this one that I bought yesterday. And I thought it was just the one bandana. But you got to look really good on the inside because they layer them together. Sometimes you get two of them. So this one was from yesterday. So this is the one that I was talking about yesterday with the nice pattern, the floral. And then this one here is like a way different pattern. But it's the same colors, same, the same material. So it really looks nice like that. These are beautiful. So I got those from the Dollar Tree. They come in two. And they also have a yellow one with green and then they have like one looks like splash, like somebody threw some paint on it, but I don't like that one. That's the only ones that I've seen. And then also at the Dollar Tree, I picked up two of these soft Baker's Choice hamburger rolls. Hamburger buns, whatever. And you don't just have to use these for hamburgers. You can make sloppy joes. You could do like sandwiches and things like that. So I got these to make sandwiches. And then this was new, but the girl shoved it in the bag, and for some reason I lost the top. And it's supposed to have like a little pump, like you press down. But this was like a really big lotion. This is the same brand as that hand soap. It's called Nouvelle. It's a body lotion for dry skin. So it's a nice big heavy bottle. Never tried it before. So since I lost the knob because of the way they packaged the bag, I'm just going to pour it out like that and use it. So I got that. Then these were new at the Dollar Tree. This is the Love My Carpet, but this is the fresh linen scent. And I never seen this one there. So this was in the front of the store. So I picked this one up. I only picked up one. Then I got two Diet Pepsis, because they were just putting the sodas out when I got there. And then I noticed they're all the same brand, but some are smaller than the others and some are really big. So I wanted to try these big dish soaps. They might not work the best or anything. They might be a little bit watery or something. I'm not sure. It looks like it's thick, but I'm not sure how they work. Now this is a real big bottle here. And you see how the top is like a clear, like you flip, like that. So this one is I think it's orange. But you see how big this one is, and then there's some that are smaller. So I don't know why they're all the same brand. And then this one, you could tell it's the smaller one. You see by size? Well, this one's like a little bit smaller, and then this one's bigger. See? But it's the same. It says the same thing, the Ultra Deluxe. So I thought that was kind of strange. But anyway, this is the blue one. This is original. So I guess it's like a scent of knockoff of Dawn. I'm not sure. But you see how it has a nice little flip top? Just be careful with these because sometimes they throw them in the bags at the Dollar Tree and they start spilling all over the place. And I'm going to tell you why in a minute. And then I picked up the big one. You see this? It's the same thing. It says Ultra Deluxe. You see? Same thing. See how the big sizes are? So this one here is the big one. But this is the purple one. And then right here, I picked up another one, but this is the blue one. You see? The same thing. But this one says Ultra Concentrated. Now, check this out. Now, you see all the lids? They're like this. The clear ones, they flip up. They look like this. No big deal. You just, squeeze out the dish soap. Now, look at this nozzle. It's straight up different. I was really mad because when I was taking everything out the bag, this cap was off. Completely off, and the dish soap was just standing up like this in the bag. Like it could have tilted over, it could have spilled. This whole nozzle was taken off. Now you see this nozzle, it's white. It's way different. You see this? It flips up. It looked like somebody might have took this knob off of some other product. I don't know. That's the first time I've seen it like that. You see the difference? That's kind of strange. And then I picked up this one to try the scent. This is like a different color. It's like a yellowish orange or something like that. And then I decided to pick up the yellow one. This might be a lemon one. And you see the nozzle looks like that. So you see the difference? They're all like that, and then this one's different. So I thought that was kind of strange. And they're all the same. They have the same logo on the front. It might be, let me see. It might be two different brands maybe. Okay, yeah. This one's LA's Totally Awesome. And it says that. And then this one's, okay, LA Totally Awesome. Okay, so it's all the same brand. LA Totally Awesome. This one says Ultra Concentrated, but the rest don't. But they're all, this one's smaller, this one's bigger. It's all the same. So if you want to get more for the buck, buy the bigger one. You know, whatever. But just be careful with these knobs. I saw some that were all bent, all flipped over. You know, I don't know. But when I open up the bag, like I said, that was just like this, guys. It was just like this. Like this was in the bag, right, at the bottom. And I reached into my bag, and the dish soap looked just like this. It looked just like this, no nozzle. I was like, oh my God. If it tilted over, I would have spilled all the soap. So yeah, I decided to give these a try. I don't remember in the past if I tried these or not. But soap is soap to me. As long as it foams up and it smells good and cleans your dishes, it's all that matters. So I decided to give these a try, see what these are about. I do like the Brillo ones that I hauled in the past. They're really good, and I still do buy them. But I buy them at a different store. But anyway, thanks for watching this Dollar Tree haul. And I will talk to you guys later. Be safe. And like I said, stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more exciting stores and better things coming up. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.